Hello guys, welcome to QB65 YouTube channel. Hope you are all safe and your family too in this pandemic situation. Okay, past 3 to 4 days in our video we discussing about case study questions in the science stream subjects in the class 12 like maths, physics and chemistry. So today we are going to seeing about that exception 1 of science stream biology subject. Okay, so compared to maths, physics, and chemistry, biology case study questions are slightly different. Oh, in maths, chemistry, and physics, they are asking one paragraph. So, depends upon the paragraph, they are asking 4 to 5 questions. Okay. So, but biology, it's completely different. Not completely different. It's a slightly different. It's fully based on image-based questions. Okay, from maths, physics, and chemistry, they are asking one paragraph. So, in that paragraph, using that paragraph only, they are asking 4 to 5 different questions. But here, it's slightly different. It's based on image. Okay. Uh, Let me move on to the first question, the case study questions. First one is they're giving on diagrammatic representation. The stages in the binary fission of amoeba are shown above. First question is arrange the stage in their proper natural sequence in binary fission. Second one is how does this differ from the process of sporulation employed by amoeba. Okay, this is the question. So the answer for the first option A, the question is arrange the stages. So they are already giving the binary fission of amoeba here. Okay, you have to just rearrange the images according to the proper natural sequence. Okay, natural sequence. So you have to arrange the amoeba images, binary fissions, by their natural sequence. Okay, the answer for the first one is D. So D will be the first one according to their natural sequence. So A will be the second one and C following by E and B. So this is the one sentence of answer. So if you want to write the answer for the first option A, how to write the diagram, you have to make the diagram for that. Okay, so you have to arrange, you have to write the diagram. Okay, and you have to draw the diagram for the D, A, C, E, B in the sequence. Okay, so you have to draw the diagram for the answers. Okay, you just put it as a D and then followed by A, C, E, B, and below that you have to draw the diagram for that. Okay, the second one, the answer for the option B, the question is arrange the how does this differ from process of sporulation employed by amoeba. Okay, QB provide the complete detailed solution for that it will differentiate by the binary fission and sporulation. Okay, 3 different options for that. So for these two options, for these two answers, they are asking, they are giving 5 marks. Okay, here is the marks for this particular question. Okay, same as the second, they're giving some images. So using that image, they are asking A, B, C. Yeah, they're asking only one question. Identify the types of gametes. Given an example for each A, bands B and C in the shown diagram. Okay, so using that A, B, C diagram, you have to answer for that. Okay, this is the kind of case study questions in biology subject. It's slightly different from other subjects like physics, maths, and chemistry. So in that video, we explain around 10 to 15 case study questions, which is combined by all the chapters. Okay, we are planning to make a video for every chapter wise. We'll make it soon. Okay, as soon as possible from our side. Initially we just provide case study questions for all the subjects in 2 different parts, planning for 2 different parts. This is the part 1 case study questions in biology. Already we make video for making the video for physics and chemistry and maths at the part 1. Okay, you can just follow the other questions. Third one also, it's fully based on image type. You can just look at it. So they are asking so based on picture based question, like these picture show the geonism of A, the power, and B, Michaelia. First A option is write one similarity and the difference between two. So one similarity, they are asking one similarity and difference, two difference. Okay, the second one is name of three parts of pistil. Okay, so QB3 provide the complete detailed solution for option A and option B. You can just follow it. Okay, if you want to download the PDF, means click on the description. You have find the one downloadable link for PDF. You can just click over it and download the PDF. Same as fourth question also, the image based one. So case study is very important question pattern for upcoming 2021 public exams. It's completely different from previous question patterns and other question patterns. It's a newly updated pattern on from 2020 itself for CBSE and NCERT patterns. Slightly difference in the mark pattern and also the question dimension compared to other questions in the case study. So you have to don't worry about the case study and for the new question pattern. You have just practice day by day in the case study questions. You have get clear idea about it. You can just no worries. You can just follow our YouTube channel. We will provide chapter wise case study questions and all those combined subject wise case study questions for your exam purpose. You have don't worry about that. We will provide detailed solution. Okay, so we can get complete idea about what is case study and what are all the mock types in case study and what is outlet of case study. Okay, so QB365 ready to launch our the exam preparation app for students, which is mainly for class 6 to class 12 students for all the kind of subjects. So in that application you have to find practice test analysis concept. So what does mean by practice means, so you have to see entire questions with detailed solutions in all the type of question types like an MCQs and other objective questions and other assessment reasons and match the following concepts and other subjective questions. So for all those questions you can see their entire detailed solution in the terms of question and answer. Okay, in our QB365 application. And also the test concept. So test concepts, you already know that we will provide subject wise and chapter wise MCQ test. Just you can take it a test and analyze yourself. So where is your strength and weakness. So next one is analysis. The analysis is fully based on your report concepts and they will analyze yourself regarding subject wise and chapter wise and even test wise. You can compare with compare with yourself with like other all over India students in every test. So it will be the most helpful point regarding your exam point of view, which is provided by us. It will be launched as soon as possible by us. It will be launched soon. Okay, so if you have any other doubts in any other question types in any other study materials regarding your class and subjects, means you can just follow our study material blog. The link will be provided by us in description. You can just click over it and check over all other study materials. Okay, not only we are not only for the class 12, we have for 6 to starting from 6 and from 12. Not only these classes, we just providing NEET and JEE materials and all other competitive and recruitment exams materials. You can just follow our study material blog. You can get complete idea about every exams and tests. Okay, so in our study material we just we don't only provide case study questions. We provide everything like NCERT books and other question types like MCQs with the test and also NCRT examples and previous year question papers and all those things which is used for your exam point of view. Okay, and thank you so much for your watching. If you want to download the PDF means you can click on the description, you can get a downloadable link and download and get it over it. Okay, thank you so much for your watching and thank you so much for your support. Bye bye from Tamil until next video. Okay, thank you.